video. Hello friends, my name is Shandan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Art with Shan. So in this video I decided to talk with all of my friends in English. So in today's video I will talk about how to doodle. So let's get started. So first you should know some basic shapes like these which I have made. So I will tell you how to make all of these. So first you can make any shapes as a guideline, and then you can make any of its designs. And now any facial expressions like this. And you make anything. Like this. And the face with the expressions. Like this. So now you have learned some basic shapes. So now you have learned some basic stuff. Now I will tell you some designs that you can fill in between doodle. Why so? Because some space remain in between them. To fill those space, we will use these designs. So before doodling, I will recommend you to make some thumbnail sketches which will help you to know that what can we draw on the doodling page. This gives an idea that what it looks after the inking, coloring and sketching step. So I will recommend you the thumbnail sketches before going to do doodle. And never be afraid to erase anything in this doodle if you don't like it. Also you can make any signs. This thumbnail sketches, and you can add some more details in this. And while sketching the doodle, I will recommend you to watch any movie or watch any video or listen any song, so that all of that gives an idea that what to draw. I will give you some ideas that you can draw in doodling. So I will give all of them in the description. I hope that you would like it. And also, if you don't know what to draw, so you can follow any artist on Instagram and take some inspiration from them like this. I will recommend you to move your pencil very lightly so that it would be easy to do step 2. So friends, now we will go towards step 3, and you can also call that step 3 as the final step. So for this you need any type of color pencils, or if you have any markers like Ohumu markers or copic markers, so you can use all that markers. But I don't have those markers, so I will use color pencils. right now, and it's 10:07 as you can see. So I started at 12 p.m. Yes, 12 p.m. So it takes a too long time. So I hope that you like my video. So if you like, so please like, share and subscribe my video.